and welcome to my unboxing of the August 2017 Yumi Twins box. This month's theme is Kawaii Summer. Let's see what we've got inside. Okay, so here's the little booklet. And oh, it's that fan. That is really going to come in handy because when it gets warm I tend to just make a fan out of paper, whereas having a nice rubber one and then like the actual Japanese one is really cool. Oh, it's made of like a sort of plasticky material. There we go. It's really nice. That's coming really handy on warm days. Not entirely sure what this is, but it is really cute. Not sure why it's got clear plastic underwear on. I think it's a little pouch for holding stuff in there. I'll have to check the booklet. This is a little pouch, I believe, for keeping drinks bottle in. Oh, really beautiful Ariel and flounder design there from the Little Mermaid. I think you can put some insulation in there to keep your drink cool in the summer. And it's got a little clip so it can clip onto your bag or whatever, wherever you want to keep it. And oh, that's gorgeous little bunny plushie. Well, little bunny, it's a little purse. Coin purse there. I think so. Little bunny head coin purse. Cute little floppy ears, and that could just clip onto my bag. Oh, kawaii. And I believe this is a small, fairly big little towel with Rilakkuma on it. It says Rilakkuma shimmer shimmer every day, and that's the design there. And that's really nice. I think that's everything. Just checking the book. So, there we've got the fans there. There's a Loppy mini pouch. So for coins or hairpins or candies or whatever you're taking with you. Rilakkuma face towel. Which is handy if you to wash away your sweat in the summer. And Disney bottle. Holds up to 500ml bottles with frosting to keep your drinks cool. Removable straps attached so you can easily carry your drink wherever you go. A high functioning cozy is lined with quilted aluminium to keep any drink at their ideal temperature, hot or cold. Oh, that's handy. And these things are flush. Transparent pocket to use to put misplaced items like keys or accessories. Okay, they're quite cute. So all in all, it's a really nice set. I absolutely love this because like Ariel's like one of my favourite Disney princesses, and it's just a really gorgeous design. The weird thing is it feels cool there, like you can tell it's going to keep a drink cool inside there, so you just stuff your bottle in there and it'll keep cool when you go out and about and stuff. So that's really nice, and the fan especially is going to come in really handy for me in the summer because you know, nothing worse than feeling too warm, and this is a really cute little bunny plushie. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I will see you next time for more good videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.